You hear it, you feel it, you love it, or absolutely hate it. That loud pop when someone cracks their knuckles? What the heck is going on in there? Your grandma probably told you it'll give you arthritis. Guess what? She was wrong. Like, really wrong.
You know, I've heard that cracking your knuckles gives you arthritis.
When you crack your knuckles, you're not snapping bones. You're just popping bubbles inside your joints. It's called cavitation. Your joint fluid gets stretched and gas escapes like a mini fart. Yep, you're joint farting. So, is it bad for you? Nah, at least not if you're just cracking casually. It's more annoying than dangerous. Unless you're doing it like 100 times a day or feel pain when you do, your joints are fine. You're not breaking anything. A scientist even cracked only one hand for decades, and guess what? No difference. Zero arthritis. Some people crack for relief. Others do it for fun. Either way, your brain gets a little chemical treat. If it hurts, stop. If you can't stop, you might just be stressed, or bored, or annoying your coworkers. Cracking knuckles equals not dangerous. Doesn't cause arthritis, but maybe don't do it in a job interview, okay? That pop? It's just gas bubbles in your joint fluid bursting, like a fizzy soda inside your fingers. Sure, if you're aggressive, you could strain your ligaments, but you'd really have to try hard to mess it up. It might be annoying to everyone around you, but medically, it's a harmless little habit. So next time someone says it's bad for you, crack back and say, "Science disagrees." Pop your knuckles if you want. Just don't pop off in a library or during a Zoom call. Please.